Living with diabetes often means making lifestyle adjustments, and one of the most impactful changes you can make is incorporating regular exercise into your daily routine. Exercise not only helps manage blood sugar levels, but also boosts overall health and vitality. Today, we will explore some of the best exercises for diabetics, how they benefit you, and why they should be part of your diabetic care plan. Let us begin with aerobic exercises, the cornerstone of any fitness regimen. Aerobic exercises, also known as cardiovascular exercises, include activities that increase your heart rate and make you breathe harder. Walking, swimming, and cycling are excellent examples. For diabetics, walking is particularly beneficial. It is a low-impact activity that most people can easily incorporate into their daily routine. Just 30 minutes of brisk walking can help lower blood sugar levels, improve circulation, and strengthen your heart. Swimming, on the other hand, provides a full-body workout without putting stress on the joints, making it ideal for those with joint issues or arthritis. Cycling is another fantastic aerobic exercise that many diabetics find rewarding. Whether you prefer using a stationary bike or pedaling through scenic routes, cycling helps burn calories, which can lead to weight loss and improved insulin sensitivity. Moreover, it is a fun and efficient way to improve cardiovascular health. Next, let us consider strength training exercises. These involve building muscle mass, which is crucial because muscle tissue burns more glucose than fat tissue. Strength training can include lifting weights, using resistance bands, or performing bodyweight exercises like push-ups and squats. For diabetics, engaging in strength training sessions at least 2 to 3 times a week can be transformative. Not only do these exercises enhance insulin sensitivity, but they also contribute to better blood sugar control and increased muscle strength. Now, let us move to flexibility and balance exercises. Though often overlooked, these exercises play a significant role in maintaining mobility and preventing injuries. Yoga and Tai Chi are highly recommended for diabetics. Yoga combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation, promoting relaxation while improving flexibility and balance. Regular yoga practice is shown to help lower stress levels, which can positively impact blood sugar control. Tai Chi, a form of martial arts involving slow, controlled movements, also enhances balance and reduces stress, making it a beneficial option for diabetics. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is gaining popularity among fitness enthusiasts and can also be beneficial for diabetics. HIIT involves short bursts of intense activity, followed by periods of rest or low-intensity exercise. This type of workout has been shown to improve cardiovascular fitness, increase metabolism, and aid in better blood sugar regulation. However, it is essential to consult with your healthcare provider before starting HIIT, especially if you are new to exercise or have other health concerns. Before you embark on any exercise program, it's crucial to consult with your doctor or a certified diabetes educator. They can provide personalized recommendations based on your health status and any potential complications. Additionally, understanding how exercise affects your blood sugar levels is vital. Keep a close eye on your glucose levels before, during, and after workouts to ensure they remain within a safe range. Incorporating these exercises into your routine can lead to significant improvements in your diabetes management and overall well-being. Remember, consistency is key. Start slow, gradually increasing the intensity and duration of your workouts as you become more comfortable. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on living your best life with diabetes. Stay active, stay healthy, and take control of your diabetes with the power of exercise.